I don't know if any one of you or any of you sees bed rotting and doom scrolling as like a form of reset. Pero for me kasi, it's a form of reset. Especially kapag I feel a lot of, emotions. I feel anxious. And parang hindi ako productive. Hindi ako makagawa ng mga task ko. Kunwari nagre-review ka, walang pumapasok sa utak mo. Kunwari, you're trying to write a story or write a song and walang lumalabas sa utak mo. And you just get frustrated, diba? Kasi parang ayaw gumawa or ayaw gumalaw ng katawan mo. Siguro, ang daming sasabi sa inyo or some of you may say na you have to distract yourself. Try mo magsimula. Like, siguro, mag-timer ka for like 5 minutes doing something and then eventually this will create a momentum, diba? That's not the case all the time, diba? Kasi I tried kanina. I tried playing the guitar, no? Ang tagal ko na kasi hindi nagigitara. And lately, wala akong gana. So, I tried, diba? Kasi malay mo, pag nagsimula ako, malay mo ma-build yung momentum, diba? Pero, wala eh. Siguro, I tried playing for like 15 minutes. Wala talaga. Hindi talaga ako productive. Wala akong maisip. It doesn't feel right. I can't play properly. And I just get frustrated, diba? Dumagdag din sa parang anxiety ko. Yung laptop ko, nag-glitch siya. Yung screen. And this has happened before. Which I tried naman na ayusin. And naayos ko naman siya. Pero ngayon, hindi ko alam kung ano dapat kong gawin. So, dahil dun, sa hindi ko kasi siya maayos, nasira yung mood ko. For the whole day. I had my ideal morning routine. So, parang this morning, naisip ko, magiging maganda yung araw. I would be like productive, ganon. Hindi. Kasi, yung laptop. It started with the laptop, no? Adi yun nga, hindi ko magagawa yung mga task ko, no? I just have anxiety about my laptop. Kasi, baka kailangan paayos. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Yan. Wala akong gana mag-crochet. Nag-try akong mag-gitara. Like I said, 15 minutes in, hindi pa, wala eh. It doesn't feel right. And then, alam mo yung napapunta na lang ako sa TikTok. Alam mo yung parang for the whole day, halos, nag-TikTok na lang ako. Natulog ako dito sa sala. Wala akong ginawa. Wala akong ginawa. So, I think this is the perfect time for me to discuss bed rotting and doom scrolling responsibly. It is bad. Siyempre, it's bad na mag-doom scroll and bed rot. Pero, you don't have to think of it as a bad thing. You could also think of it as being productive somehow. It kind of helps. Kasi I have this thought, being unproductive is being productive. Basically, it helps with you being productive, yung pag-reset, yung pagpahinga. Kasi, if you don't rest, you will burn out. Kunwari, you need to do this task, no? So, may progress dito sa project mo, sa hobby mo, and you're forcing yourself, which is a good thing naman, diba? Parang, we should also force ourselves to stand up, gawa ka ng task, gawa ka ng hobby mo. Kasi that's better than just being in bed and doom scrolling, diba? Pero if hindi talaga kaya ng katawan mo, pilitin. Pero you try first, no? Na gumawa ng hobby. Kasi syempre, you never know. You could create a momentum. Pero you could also not. Yung parang hindi talaga kaya ng katawan mo. And kapag hindi talaga kaya ng katawan mo, don't feel bad. Maybe it's just not the day. It's not the time para gawin yung project na yun. And you could just go to TikTok. And I know it feels bad. Pero you don't know na kailangan pala ng katawan mo ng reset. And doom scrolling and bed rotting is a form of reset if you think about it. Now na kapag doom scroll ako in bed rot in I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours, or the whole afternoon somehow. I don't know, parang I felt a bit better. I don't know if it's the same for everyone. I'm sure it's not the same for everyone, no? Pero, parang tinitreat ko yung doom scrolling and bed rotting as my rest. I'm being aware na it has limits, no? Now, how would you know how to stop parang doom scrolling and bed rotting? if you feel a certain urge, kunwari, I felt this urge na maghilamos na kasi it's 6 p.m. na, past 6 na, and I felt the urge na maghilamos na. Just do it. Huwag kang parang, tinatamad ako. Ako kasi, pinapractice ko yung, pag may urge ako, ginagawa ko na agad. Para hindi tumagal yung parang distance between action and intention. I don't know kung tama yung ano, pero yun. So, ngayon, I feel better na kasi napaghilamos na ako and wala na akong iisipin na, hindi pa napaghilamos. So, that's why I was able to doom scroll and bed rot responsibly. And I know na it won't be the same for everyone. Kasi, syempre, iba-iba tayo, diba? Ng mindset, ng experiences in life, and how we go through the day. Pero for me, this worked, and maybe it will also work for, and maybe this will also work for you. It doesn't have to be like a full negative thing. Yung pag-doom scroll and bed rot. Sometimes doing low vibrational things could serve as a reset from high vibrational things. Kasi, let's be honest, let's be realistic. High vibrational is not all the time sustainable, you know? Parang, minsan kailangan mo na yung bumaba. You can't just maintain this level. You also have to, pahinga from being in this level. You have to like go down a bit lang. Huwag kang bumaba na sobrang baba to the point na yung personality mo, ginawa mo ng low vibration because of just one bad day. It's just a bad day, not a bad life, okay? You could feel bad for today. Just let it be a bad day, ganun. Pero it doesn't mean you have a bad life. It's just temporary. And siguro din, kaya ako parang nakakapag doom scroll and bed rot responsibly is because I'm aware na this is all temporary and I just need to rest. So, yeah. Okay. Lumipat ako ng kwarto and don't mind the bed. So, dagdag ko lang din. Kaya rin ako parang nagkaroon ng anxiety for the whole day is may gusto ko mo sendan na message. There's this guy. There's this guy na pinag-iisipan ko ng sendan na message kasi basically parang I just admire him and gusto ko siyang sendan ng message just to say na parang I admire him and I've been thinking about this for the whole day. Yes, the whole day. And actually, kahapon pa, nag-overthink ako. Nag-consult na ako kay ChatGPT. Should I send this? What should I send? And alam mo yung ang daming beses throughout the day, sabi ko sa sarili ko, send ko talaga to. Hindi ko pa nasasend. And actually, I think after all this thinking, sasend ko na talaga. Just basta, later. I think I'll send it later na. So, yun. Ngayon, so I've been having these anxious thoughts and also, I just felt overwhelmed kanina umaga. Actually, it started, siguro nag-compile yung laptop and then me wanting to send a message to this guy and then I think it's because magkakaroon kasi ako. Usually kasi, or I don't know if that's the case, pero kapag kasi ang isang babae is magkakaroon, especially in her luteal phase, pag nasa luteal phase ang isang babae, parang hindi siya productive. She feels weak, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, if tama yung yung thoughts ko about luteal phase. Pero yun, I'm aware na parang magkakaroon ako and I'm not in this productive state. Since it's a Sunday naman, I'll just rest na lang. And bahala na if I'm gonna doom scroll. Maybe this is the perfect time to doom scroll, to do everything na parang kinikrave ko. Alam mo yun, yung parang mag-doom scroll, kinikrave ko siya. And gawin ko siya this day. The thing about doom scrolling and bed rotting responsibly is napapagod kang mag-doom scroll and bed rot. Then you'll just have this urge na maging productive, to do something better. Yeah, if you have that urge, gawin mo agad. If you find yourself na parang irresponsible kang nagdo-doom scroll, it's okay. Huwag ka ma-pressure, no? Kasi this took me quite a while para makapag-doom scroll and better or responsibly. And usually, this just lasts for a day. And the next day, I feel better na. Kasi, like I said, nakapagpahinga na kumbaga from this state of being productive. Kasi, believe it or not, at least for me, when you are in this productive state, even though it's high vibrational, pag nandun ka for quite a while, nang hindi ka lumalabas from that state, medyo nakaka-burn out din, nakakapagod din. Kasi tao lang tayo, napapagod tayo, di ba? That's why it's very important na magpahinga ka. And it's okay na mag-low vibrational activities ka. Just limitahan mo lang for a day. So, yun nga, nag-doom scroll ako for hours and hours. And since magpahinga na yung katawan ko, I just had this urge to do my high vibrational hobbies, which is reading. Kaya nandito yung mga libro ko. Crocheting, I'm not really sure if I feel that. Pero we'll see. So, bale, gagawin ko na tonight yung parang soft routine. Kasi every night, I try to practice yung parang soft routine wherein around this time, before ako matulog, dito ko ginagawa yung mga parang creative hobbies like crocheting. Basically, parang I want this art to be something healthy for me. Yeah, it's okay na mag-doom scroll and bed rot, pero be responsible about it, be accountable. Yes, I do think they're bad, pero I also think that they could be helpful para makapagpahingaw ng ayos. And they did. That's how I created this like healthy boundary na may limit lang yung pag-doom scroll ko. Then, once na bumalik na yung urge ko to do high vibrational stuff, balik na ako sa high vibrational stuff, hindi mo kailangan iwasan yung craving. Okay lang. Tao ka. Okay lang na mag-crave ka, and you don't have to run away from cravings. You can embrace them. Yan lang. I'm gonna do my hobbies na. I think I'm gonna read. I don't know. Hindi ko pa alam. But, yeah. So, that's all. Final thought. Being unproductive is being productive. Yun lang, guys. Thank you. Bye.